What's up, guys? Today's a beautiful day. It really is. Look at that. That's that Florida weather. I'm getting ready. Got the GoPro charging. It died this morning. I gotta do a couple things to it. I gotta straighten the chain, lube it up, just check it out, check the oil, make sure it's good. We're gonna go riding today. We're going to Mike's house. We're gonna fix his head gasket. He got a blown head gasket again. So we're gonna get that done. And then we're gonna do some riding. You already know. Stay tuned. What's that? So I just pulled up to Mike's. Got the car right there, about to unload it. This is what we got going on today, ladies and gents. Here we got everything. Got the new head gasket with the seals. All the good stuff. Brand new carburetor. This thing is brand new. So yeah, we're gonna get it done today. Get the riding going, baby. Stay tuned. I'm gonna put all these videos together. What's up, boy? What we doing today?
Riding, nigga.
Hell yeah.
Riding. Got the GoPro?
There it is, baby. We got it done. Shout out to Flying Doobies. Shout out to 239 Bike Life. We just rebuilt the 400. New carb, new air.
Michael.
New parts. Okay. What you oh, hell yeah. Let me see what you got. Let's see. Unboxing.
That's it. Unboxing.
O'Neal Riders.
O'Neal Riders, man.
Put it on. Put it on. Oh, we about to do the first.
Yeah, you know how.
Oh, he set up.
You know I had to get in the man.
He set up. Set the fuck up.
Hey!
First startup, as you can tell. Look at that. Cold. Cold.
The camera's hot.
No, it's cold,
Hey,
man.
that's a joint. Burn a joint, nigga.
Go. Do the first start. Let's see how that thing goes. Gas on. Barely any gas. Yeah, that's normal. Hell yeah, we need some gas, and that's it. That little burn is normal. Boom. That's it.